Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the best channel on all of YouTube. I'm Rachel Leslie and I make videos about online marketing and online marketing tools and strategies and affiliate marketing and how to earn passive income online through sales funnels and automation and getting a lot of traffic, a lot of leads, and lots of sales. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts and opinions on Builderall versus Clickfunnels. These are two different sales funnel softwares, landing page softwares, website builders. They have a lot of the same features and they have different features. So in this video, I hope to compare and contrast them for you. So let's just get into it. So I started off with using, well, you know what? No, my journey started long ago where I probably started off with like WordPress. Had WordPress, and you get a hosting on Bluehost, and you connect you get a theme, and you can do drag and drop, and you can make a WordPress website and blog and everything, and you can collect emails through an opt-in page with WordPress. I just didn't even really know what any of that was, and this was 10 years ago. 8 years ago, so I didn't really know what like a sales funnel was until maybe just a few years ago. And if you don't know yet what a sales funnel is, it's like a website, but each page is more simple. Like each page has usually like a one call to action. So we're guiding people through a process instead of saying, here's my whole website and here's everything that's on my website, everything that there is to buy, or all the trainings and all the blogs. You're more guiding people step by step. Hey, first enter your email, then watch this video, then read this, then buy something, in a nutshell. So as I started getting more into online marketing, I heard about Lead Pages, which is a landing page software, squeeze page software, sales funnel software. So I learned a lot on Lead Pages about how to make funnels and just the psychology of them and how to collect leads. And then maybe a few years later, learn about Clickfunnels and Russell Brunson and his teachings and all this just freaking brilliant online marketing stuff. And I just got so into it, made it an entire career. Here, I'll show you. I don't want to do that in every video. I should maybe make stand up or something. But I got a Clickfunnels 2 Comma Club trophy award. That's when a funnel does $1 million in revenue, and me and my partners had a sales funnel that did $2.5 million in revenue. So that was exciting. And yeah, you'll learn a lot. So I love ClickFunnels. Not only do I make money using ClickFunnels, like building out funnels of my online course or any programs that I have, or helping other people build funnels and doing client work, do e-commerce, coaching, consulting, agency work. Like there's so many ways to make money online using funnels. My favorite way is just making affiliate commissions off the software. When people sign up for the software using my link, and I get 40% commissions recurring every single month. That's my favorite way to make money using ClickFunnels, and it's super fun. And so recently, I know there's a lot of landing page software competitors. Even WordPress, I said, even Squarespace and Wix, you can build out different web pages and landing pages and sales funnels. And I kept hearing about one called Builderall, and honestly, people in the ClickFunnels community were like, oh, Builderall is so crappy, like, no, it's gross, like, don't use it. And I'm like, I just want to like see what it's all about, because on the other side of things, outside of little Facebook groups and stuff, there's a lot of people like using it and having success with it and enjoying it, because if it's lower price than ClickFunnels and more and like additional features and the affiliate program that, in my opinion, has a better compensation plan. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to find out for myself. I am an unbiased marketer. I like to experiment with different things and experience different things. All the new cool softwares. There's not enough time to to try them all out and test them all out. But if I see some of my colleagues having success with it, then I will want to try, see what's the big deal. So I signed up under one of my friends because I saw he was getting massive success with it, making a bunch of money every single month in passive income. They have a dream car program. Clickfunnels has a dream car program for their affiliate program. When you get 100 Clickfunnels signups under your affiliate link, they'll pay you $500 a month to pay for your dream car as a bonus, or you hit 200 affiliates and they'll pay you $1,000 a month bonus. And Builderall has the same thing. So my friend and colleague reached that quickly, moved to Bali and Thailand, like everything I want to do, and I'm like, what the heck? Okay, I'm in. Let me try it out. Give me some funnels. Give me some trainings. So I'm going to show you guys inside some things. I know it's been like my face for a while. Let me move myself here in the corner. Let's just quickly go look at Builderall. Ton of templates. Drag and drop landing pages. It doesn't look like Clickfunnels exactly. It's fine. Connect, email, autoresponder in here. So I got this really cool funnel. It's like a share funnel from the person that I signed up under. And all I did was switch out the video and switch out the buttons for my affiliate link. And I just drive traffic to this sales page. I collect emails. I send email automation. It's all ready to go. And I send them to the official Builderall professional landing pages to help close the sale. And it's a great way to make affiliate commissions. I also love that Builderall gives you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of templates for different niches and different things. So if you want to do like client work, so whatever funnel you were thinking of making, they probably already have a starting base for you, and then you can customize it to make it your own, or you can just leave it as is, like I did with this funnel. And you know what? In Clickfunnels, they have that something similar too. They have really great, amazing funnels in here too. I really like the funnel cookbook. You can choose a funnel type, if it's like a coaching funnel or a network marketing funnel, e-commerce, and you can filter it like that. Or if you just wanted a regular opt-in squeeze page to collect leads, you could see the different designs that they have here. So there's a bunch of starting ones that I like to use. There's ones for sale too, but there's a lot of cool free funnels that you can download. And then the funnels on Clickfunnels are really easy to edit also. It's just drag and drop. So if I want to edit the opt-in page here, and this is like the one you're looking at, this is a share funnel. I can import this entire funnel into other people's accounts and they can customize it if they want. This funnel is designed where it's like you don't even need to customize it. You just connect your own email autoresponder integration to it. It's super easy. You can just start typing. Change colors easy also. So I know I made this a Builderall versus Clickfunnels video, like, oh, what's the winner? Who's gonna win? And okay, here's an analogy that I've been kind of using. I like it for now. To me, like Clickfunnels is kind of like Uber, and Builderall is kind of like Lyft. Like Uber is a little more expensive and a little more fancy, and just perceived a little better because it's original, and it has that culture to it and that marketing to it. And then Builderall, it's not maybe as intuitive or fast as Clickfunnels, but there's still a ton of features, and it is less than half the price, actually. I'll move this here. You could get started with Builderall, only $9.90 a month, and you can start building these landing pages and connect a domain, or you can do the $29.90 a month plan, and you can connect up to 15 domains. But I like the Builderall business plan, the $49.90 plan, because that is how you unlock the ability to be an affiliate and make your money back and profit. So you make 100% commissions back on someone's first month, and then 30% commissions every month after that. Whereas Clickfunnels, it is 40% a month. So these are the Builderall plans right here, about 10 bucks, 30 months, 50 bucks a month, and with Clickfunnels plans are 97 a month for the regular and $297 a month for the full suite, which comes with email marketing software that I don't use that much, and it comes with an affiliate portal backend if you want to run your own affiliate program, which is probably more advanced for a lot of people. But hey, if you are ready to do that, I use it. I use ClickFunnels all day, every day. But I'm also starting to use Builderall now more often. And the thing is, you don't have to be in it all day, every day. The whole point of all this is set it up, automate it, have it be a machine that works while you're not around. So if you guys want to check out any other ClickFunnels videos I have a freaking ton. I'll link the playlist in the description. And then I'm starting to build up my Builderall videos too, so I'll have more videos about Builderall also. And then I'm going to put my resources for you guys. I got a ton of free trainings and free funnels for ClickFunnels and Builderall and other things. So I'll put all that in the description, so be sure to check that out. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you could check out my freshest, newest trainings. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.